Taking the subway in China? Forget the textbooks. Here are 90 real-life Chinese phrases you'll actually hear and use every day on the metro. From navigating transfers to asking for directions like a local, let's dive in.
Stop pushing. There's no room in the back.
别挤了，后面没地儿了。
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 Please move inside. It's quite empty in the middle.
麻烦往里走走，中间挺空的。
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 Could you move in a bit? The door is completely blocked.
您往里挪一点，门口都堵死了。
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 Squeeze in a bit. 2 more people can fit.
往里挤挤，还能上俩人。
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 Those in the back, please wait for the next one.
后面的几位，等下一趟吧。
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 Excuse me, does this train go to the railway station?
请问，这车能到火车站吗？
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 I'm going here. Where do I transfer?
我要去这里，在哪里换乘？
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 Which way to line 1?
1号线往哪边走
1号线往哪边走
？1号线往哪边走？
Which station is this?
这一站是哪儿？
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 How many more stops to Shichahai?
到什刹海还要坐几站？
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 Can I scan a ride code to enter the station?
能刷乘车码进站吗？
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 Where is the code scanning machine?
刷码的机器在哪儿？
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 Where can I rent a power bank?
哪里可以租到充电宝？
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 Why won't this card scan through?
这卡怎么刷不进去了？
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 Insufficient balance on the card.
卡里的余额不足。
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 Please take a seat. I'm getting off soon.
您坐，我马上就下了。
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 It's okay. I'm not tired. You sit down.
没事，我不累。您坐。
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 Could you help me lift my luggage?
能帮我抬一下行李吗？
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 Don't eat inside the carriage.
别在车厢里吃东西。
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 Your bag isn't zipped.
您的包拉链没拉好。
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 I'm going to be late again.
又要迟到了。
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 Hurry up. The doors are closing.
快跑2步，门要关了。
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 I finally caught the last train.
总算赶上这趟末班车了。
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 Why are there so many people today?
今天怎么这么多人啊？
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 The transfer walk is way too long.
换乘走得太远了。
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 All bags through security.
所有包请过安检。
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 Please take a sip of your water.
请喝一口您的水。
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 Please do not linger by the doors.
请不要在门口逗留。
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 Exit first, then enter. Stay safe.
先下后上，注意安全。
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 Please keep an eye on your children.
请看好您的孩子。
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 Great job! Now, try to make your own sentence in the comments, and I'll help you improve it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Start Chinese Today for more natural Mandarin lessons. See you next time.